Hi guys, it is Addison, and today is the day for our smushy mushies and our poopsies. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is gonna be so awesome. First, let's start with our poopsies. Just have to find the little tear strip that is... Found it. I'm so excited. These things are so cool. I love slime, and you get to make, and I also love unicorns, and you get to make unicorn poop, aka slime, so I'm in love. Seriously. And one of my favorite parts is it's like a toilet paper roll. All you have to do is unroll from here and then, ta-da! Oh, this is awesome! It looks like we have unicorn food. Just gotta pull it away. Unicorn magic. And a secret smell. I'm gonna open up the secret smell and smell it. Oh, I hope it's a good smell, not like onions or anything. They have gross smells for this stuff. Now, let me just... Okay, so I have the smell. Now I'm going to smell it. Whoa, this smells like cherry or something. I love it. That's good. Oh, there's one more little pocket. And then it has our magic spoon. Ooh, let's take a look at it. Ooh, it's a very pretty gold. This is so nice. And it has a little lightning bolt on it. Adorbs. Now, let's open this up. Now, oh, this is epic. Remember this moment. Here's our little cup. I believe this is our drink or the mixing pot. And then we have our poopsie. Oh, I can't wait to see. Now let's take a look at our fabulous guy. Oops, there goes the smell. Open it right up. Ooh, we have the early bird turds. I love that. The junk food duties. So cute. Turds of paradise. Huh, I love that. And the disco doo-doos. That is adorable. These all are so adorable. I love them. Okay, now let's open our cup and see what it is. Whoa, this is so pretty. Oh, it's like, it's a number 2. Oh my gosh, this is adorable. Do you all see this? Do you see this? Now, let's open up our poopsie. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It's a little fishy. We have Puffer. Oh, it's a little puffer fish. I love that. And you see there's a little pocket where you can open it up and you can store your slime in there. This is awesome. Now, let's get to making our slime. Okay, so I got our water, and the instructions say to take off the lid and then pour in 15 milliliters of water. So that's what I'll be doing. And then I'm going to add 5 drops of our scent. I love the scent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 6. Oops. Ours is going to be extra smelly. Okay, so now that that's done, we add in our unicorn food. Oh, I can't wait. Got our scissors to open it up. I'm going to do this over the cup to make sure none of the unicorn. Now I'm going to pour it in. Ooh, it's a pretty light blue. I love that. This is so awesome. Now that we've put in all our unicorn food, let's close the lid tightly, and then we'll shake for 1 minute. See you guys in 1 minute. While we let our unicorn poop set, let's open up our smushy mushy. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's look on the tag first. There are 8 pets to collect. Oh, I want that little French bulldog. That is so cute. And that dog. They're all so cute. I love them. Now, where's the treasure? Oh, no treasure? Awesome. We got it open. Now, time to twist it open. I'm so excited. Okay, now let's see who we got. Who's this? Oh, we got the little monkey. Whoa, okay. This is different than I thought it would look. Okay. But that's cool, that's cool. I still love it. Oh, and this is so squishy. Now let's open up the little buddy. I thought those big smushy mushies came in like bags. Wait, no, they don't. No, that's just, okay. I was confused. Look at our little buddy. Oh, so smushy. Oh, they're just so cute together. So slow rising. So nice. Anything else in here? We have, oh, what's this? We have a little, oh, it's a name tag. Ooh, and look, it's a little ice cream, and I presume it has our little ball chains. Now, you can, if you want, you don't have to do this, you can put these little ball chains onto the squishies, but I don't really like to do that, so I'm just going to leave it off for now. And then we have our checklist. Let's take a look. Not mean to do that. Oops. Okay. Oh gosh. So we have Mimi Monkey and Robin Rainbow. That is so cute. I love that. I love it. I love it. I love it. Now, there's something on the back. We were supposed to make something out of this. Okay, let's just set that off to the side. But look at this. It is so squishy. Nice. And here's our little ice cream buddy. Oh, they're so cute together. You can numb on it, and oh, I love it. Before I show you my slime, this is what I accidentally ripped into. It was a little origami cat. It's disheveled, I must admit, but it's cute. Now, time for the slime. Now, let's check it out. Ooh. Oh, listen to that good sound. That's good quality slime. Oh, ooh, and look, it's a pretty blue. Now Next, we add in our unicorn magic. Whoop, whoop. And then it will change colors, it says. I am assuming that's what it will do. And now, let's add in the magic. Let's make some magic. Now that we've done it, let's mix it around in here. You know what? I'm just going to use my hands, stretch it, and make it all pretty. Oh gosh, this is such amazing slime. Just, it's beautiful. Now, I love it. My dreams are coming true. I love this. I love slime. You know, one Christmas, I got 2 whole huge gallons of things for making slime. Whoa, this is so sparkly. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, thank you for watching my awesome video. And if you want to store your slime, just pop it right in here. And oh, it feels so nice. And then close it up. It's as easy as pie. Or should I say ice cream? I love the smushy mushy. It is adorable. And our Poopsie. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!